You can't be brave if you're indestructible. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. So we can't keep calling people brave, calling people heroes, awarding people, rewarding people for things that they should already be doing. Only the people that have everything to lose, the people that put themselves out of their comfort zones, those are the people that we can call heroes, rather than people that should be doing what they're doing. It's the people that have everything to lose and they put themselves in situations to save others, put other people's needs before theirs. You know, people that do everything to make sure that their kids survive. For example, a millionaire giving you £20 is nothing compared to a person that only has £20 in their bank account and give it to you. So there's a key difference. We can't reward that millionaire for giving you £20 and call them brave and caring and compassionate, because that extra £20 is nothing to them, you know, compared to someone who gives you their last dime because they care, who gives you their last dime so you can eat. It's the person who gives you their last penny, you know, where they'll go hungry than to see you hungry. Those are the people that we should be calling compassionate. Those are the people that we should be calling heroes. You can't reward someone for doing something that they should already be doing. You know, you see people say, oh, this person is great, you know, they're a great parent to their kids, they take them out or whatever. That's what they should already be doing. As a parent, you should be doing those things already. And you know, you can't reward your friend for being loyal. They should be loyal anyways. That's what friendship is. You're supporting each other and be loyal. You can't reward them for that. It's what should come with the territory. You can't reward people. You can't call them heroes. You can't reward people for doing things that they're already doing. Someone would be a true friend if they go against everything, if they put themselves on the line for you. Then that person, that is someone that you'd call a great friend or a great partner, a great person or a great family member, someone that will go above and beyond. You can't reward people for doing things that they should be doing. You can't reward someone for checking up on you when they should be anyways, because they're your friend. So we have to be careful about the labels that we're giving people or the people that you're glorifying in your life. You can't glorify someone for doing something that they should already be doing. It's that same principle where, you know, they say Superman is indestructible, so we can't call him brave, because if you're indestructible, you have nothing to lose. You know, going out there and jumping on, you're indestructible, nothing's going to change. Your life is going to stay the same. Someone who has to build up the courage, someone who has to work themselves up, someone who probably have a sleepless night just so that they can be able to do that jump, you know, that's the person that you can call brave. Despite their situation, despite of what they're capable of, they're still trying to help you, or they're still trying to help themselves. You can't call someone brave if that's their job, that's what they have to do. A fireman saving you, it's their job, they have to do that. But it's the person who is scared of heights but will do absolutely anything to climb that tree and make sure that you're safe, like give you their absolute best. People that put themselves on the line for you, then that's what you would call brave, that's what you would call compassionate, that's what you call caring. You can't just reward someone for doing the bare minimum and doing what they should be doing. So pay attention to those kind of people in your life, and to be the best version of yourself is to be able to also spot those inconsistencies in your life. Thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one.